Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to unbox the Cricut Maker. I have had the Cricut Maker on my wish list for a long time now. I have always wanted to get my hands on one of these, and today I am so excited to Cricut for partnering with me on this video and sending me a Cricut to open with you here on the channel. Plus, I can't wait to use it and show you all the things that you could do with it and do tons of crafts involving the Cricut here on the channel and on my blog. So thank you to Cricut for sponsoring this video today. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below for you if you wanna learn more about the Cricut Maker. And today I'm gonna unbox it and chat about it and show you some of the features. So if you've been following along on my channel and my blog for a little while, you'll know that I do have the Cricut Explore Air 2. Love it, I've used it for lots of different projects. For example, one of my most recent ones was cutting out some gold foil star decals for my daughter's bedroom makeover. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to check that out. Plus, I've done lots of iron-on projects like a little unicorn stuffy. Plus, I've made stencils for a sign with some vinyl. So what's different about the Maker is that you can cut even more materials with it. And that's what I'm most excited about, is you can cut fabric. So what I think is going to be awesome is the fact that I'll be able to use either Cricut's library, so they have like a huge library online of all sorts of different sewing patterns, and make some really great projects, or I'll be able to create my own sewing patterns and use the Cricut Maker to cut out the pieces of fabric for the patterns. So I think that's going to open up lots of opportunities for more detailed projects. Everything will go quicker, I think, to cut things out, some more detailed pieces with the Maker. Cannot wait for that. That's probably the most exciting thing for me. Plus, it can cut thicker materials, so you can even cut leather. I've even seen people use the Cricut Maker to cut out really thin wood, like balsa wood. Really excited about that. You could use that for like wood signs or decor, things like that. So that's what I'm excited about. It has this little rotary blade attachment that is what's going to cut the fabric. There's a whole bunch of expandable tools you can use for it. So we have like the premium knife blade, the rotary blade, knife blade for the thicker projects. Plus we have all sorts of pens that you can add to it to make drawings. So the fine point pen, washable fabric pen. That's cool, and the calligraphy pen as well. So really excited to dig into this box and check it out. So let's go. Okay, so I opened up the box, and in the box there was a light grip cutting mat. So this is where you put your material on top of it and it sticks to it, and then you can, it glides through your machine. Oh, and there's also a fabric grip. So that one I'm assuming is for fabric. You put the fabric on there and then you glide it through the machine. Okay, and then of course we have the power cord for the Cricut Maker. And then at the top of the box was this Let's Get Started little kit. And it tells you to go to cricut.com/setup, and the setup of these is really easy. If it's anything like the Cricut Explore Air that I already have, it basically walks you through it. So even if you're not very computer literate, it'll help you walk you through it. So this one says materials for your first project. So let's see what's in here. Oh, cute. So they sent a little sample of cute fabric. They sent some textured cardstock as well. We might be able to give those a try today too. They also have this nice little welcome book inside the box. So this one talks about the Cricut Maker. So it talks about how this one has so many new project possibilities. So in the box we have the machine, we have the rotary blade, fine blade, pens, grip mats, welcome book, USB cable, power adapter. Plus you get a Cricut Access trial membership. So Cricut Access is like their site with all of their different patterns that you can use to create things. So there's free things, like there's some free fonts and free graphics and things, and then you can purchase them and they're not very expensive. Plus, what I like about the Cricut is that you can use your own designs. And I do have some free Cricut files on my blog, the DIYmommy.com. I'll leave that in the description box below, and I really enjoy making some. So if you have a Cricut, or if you want a Cricut and you want to see more cut files from me, let me know. I'm probably going to be making more now that I have the Cricut Maker here. The box also includes 50 ready-to-make projects, including 25 sewing patterns. and then the materials for the first project. So this is a good little book. It comes with all sorts of just really simple illustrations and tips, so that should be pretty easy to go through. And then it looks like this one has the rotary blade inside, so that's the one that we use for the fabric, the pen, and the USB cord. So with the Cricut machines, you can attach right to your computer with the USB cord, or you can attach via Bluetooth, which is what I usually do. Really easy to set up via Bluetooth, and all of the information is on the Cricut's site, as well as probably in that book. Okay, so here's the maker itself. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. So here we go. This is the maker. I'm just going to remove this plastic on it here. Okay, so here it is. Here's the maker. It has sort of like a metallic top to it, silver, and then the rest is white on this machine here. So this opens up and this folds down, and this is where you feed your mat with either your fabric or your other material on top, and it comes out the back just like the other one, just like the Explore Air. Here's where your blades are going to be, and all of the really simple buttons are on here. So very similar to what my other Cricut looks like. I think it might be slightly bigger, but yeah, it's still nice and compact, so you can easily just put it on a shelf in your craft room. I'm really excited to try all of the different materials that you can cut with this Cricut maker, like the fabric, plus it cuts mat board, plus it cuts leather. It has an expandable suite of tools, which I'm really excited about. Can't wait to access that sewing library and check it out and see what kinds of patterns are available to test the Cricut maker out. Plus, I can't wait to make up my own patterns and use them with the maker as well. It also cuts with up to 4 kilograms of force, and it's gonna cut everything that my other Cricut cuts, so my Cricut Explorer 2, plus more. So I'm really excited to use this tool. I'm going to be sharing some things that I make on it here on the channel and my blog as well, so stay tuned for that. Plus I'll try to include some free cut files for you to use as well. And again, make sure to check out the description box below to get more info on the Cricut maker and to purchase one for yourself or for a family member this holiday. Thanks again to Cricut for sending me the Cricut maker. It was part of my wish list. I don't know if you knew that, Cricut, but thanks for sending it along. I cannot wait to use it and share more of it here on the channel. I want to know in the comments below what you think of this maker, if you would use it, what you would use it for. I would just love to know your thoughts. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas, and I'll see you all again in my next video. Bye!